Good morning, students. Today we are not going to see any lessons, but we are going to discuss about the questions, type of questions which really you need. Okay. One type of question which we will get in biology is odd one out. This odd one out, odd term out, can be asked in 3 different ways. Not only in school exam you will get this one. Those who are appearing for NEET also, this type of questions you will get. Okay. So how to attempt this question you must know. Okay. So this is for from 6th standard to 10th standard students, how to attempt this question, odd one out. This can be asked in 3 different ways. Choose the odd one out and name the category to which other 3 belong. First we have to read the question fully. Choose the odd one out. Immediately you should not search for the odd one. Name the category to which other 3 belongs. So, in order to find out the category, you must know the connection between these terms. Okay? Then, after reading this, go through this alternate, opposite, reticulate, oral. All these are connected with the plants. Okay? Okay, all these are connected, alternate, opposite, oral. These are the types of arrangement of leaves. In lower class only arrangement of leaves you will study. In higher classes it is phyllotoxy. Okay. In higher classes it is the term phyllotoxy will come for arrangement of leaves of the stem. So which is the odd one? Reticulate. This is not the type of arrangement of leaves. Reticulate is not the type of arrangement of leaves. So reticulate is the odd one. So how to answer? First you must write odd hyphen reticulate, the odd term. The next line, category. They ask for the category only, no? Category. What are the, which category all the 3 belongs? The types of arrangement of leaves. Types of arrangement of leaves. Okay, this is how you should answer. Okay. Suppose sometimes they will ask, choose the odd one out and name the category to which it belongs. Okay, so you must read the question twice. To which it belongs, the odd one belongs. So that time what you write? Odd one, reticulate, category, type of venation. Okay. Then third way, third type of question, choose the odd one and give reason for your choice. Okay. So for that, you must write odd, reticulate, reticulate is the odd one. Then you must give the reason. Reason you must write about both, the odd one as well as the other terms. Reticulate is a type of venation, but others are types of arrangement of leaves. Both you should explain if they ask for the reason. Okay. So if they ask for odd one and category, you must first read the question, what they asked. Then you must see the relation between these terms. On that basis, find out the odd one. Right? Odd. You must write the answer this way: odd hyphen reticulate. Then category. Which category others belongs? You have to write. Suppose which category it belongs. If they ask which the odd one belongs. Odd one reticulate, category, type of venation. Okay. Then choose the odd one and give reason for your choice. You have selected the odd one, reticulate is the odd one. That is your choice. And you have to give reason why it is odd one. So reason, you must write here reason. Reticulate is a type of venation, but others are types of arrangement of leaves. Okay, so this is how you should attempt this question, odd one out. This is a type of question you will get in the question paper ICSE. Even in the book also you will be having. Okay. Without knowing how to attempt, you will be just marking, you mark and give. But you must know for exam you should attempt like this. Is it clear? Okay. And finally, those who are writing your online test, especially 9th and 10th students, we finished fill in the blanks, we finished name the following. And this one next category is odd one out. You must type odd space hyphen space then the odd one. Then category space hyphen space the category which it belongs. When you start odd one, capital O, start category capital C. Same way this also capital letters you should start. Okay, and you should not put full stop. Understood? So this is how you should attend your answer in the online test. 9th and 10th students, you should attend this test like this only. Odd one, you must type odd one space odd one space hyphen space then odd one here, right? The next line, if you press enter, you will come for the next line. Category space hyphen space and the category at end. Okay? So it will come under, it will not come under short answer type, it will come under paragraph answer in online test. Okay? So see that and attend carefully. I hope all will be getting good marks. Wish you all the best. Bye.